Hello, everybody. My name is Emily Norris with EBN Music, and I teach piano and voice lessons to young beginners in a fun and creative way. If you have a young beginner or you are a young beginner, you are in the right place. You can always join me for my live lessons every Tuesday at 10:30 a.m. Central Time, and these are geared toward young beginners. And if you've never looked at a piano, these lessons are for you. And lastly, before our song tutorial, be sure to like this video and subscribe if you love piano tutorials and are looking for piano lessons for your young child for free. This is the right place. Okay, so let's get into it. Today, we're going to look at the song Alien Invasion from the new Disney movie Zombies 3. We're going to look at the melody, and we'll also have a challenge at the end where you can add in some left-hand bass. So let's go to the piano and get started. Okay, here we are at the piano and Alien Invasion. We're going to play a couple of black keys with this one. Our scale is B minor, so play the scale with me. B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. Down, A, G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B. We're in B minor scale for Alien Invasion. We're going to start on what's considered the chorus of Alien Invasion. That's what we're going to learn today, and it's the part that goes, "Oh, falling from the stars." We're going to start on, this is Grandma's house. Grandma has a front door and a back door, and inside lives Grandma, G-A. We're going to start on the G in Grandma's house. So it goes, "Oh, falling from the stars." Remember, F sharp's in our scale. A distant galaxy. We kind of have to go down there. Do that one again. A distant galaxy. Oh, jump back. We're not sure who they are. Friend or enemy. Okay, that's the first part of that. And then this one, now we really know. We got to get our fingers ready for this one. So we start on the G again. Now we really know. I want you to think of your fingers as a seesaw. One does not come up till the other one comes down. Now we really know. Yep. And then we're going to go to the F sharp. Start here. That we're not alone. It's kind of scary though. So kind of scary though. It's kind of scary though. That's the same pattern as the first one. And then, but it's kind of cool. So D again, but it's kinda cool. There we go. Then we're going to come back to the G. G is kind of our home on this part, isn't it? Film it on your phone. Hide in your homes. They speak that part. They don't sing that part. So film it on your phone. Film it on your phone. That's the same thing as now we really know. Film it on your phone. Hide in your homes. Okay, so now it's an alien invasion. Let's use our two finger. It's an alien invasion. We skipped the G there, so let's do that again. It's an alien invasion. So how G was our home in that first pattern, when we do that last part, we avoid the G. It's an alien invasion. Okay, so if you got that melody, then you're ready for this challenge. So here's the challenge part of Alien Invasion. We're going to add some left hand, and I teach little fingers, so you've got little fingers. We're only going to use one finger. We're going to use the bass note. And here's our back door. We're going to be on the B. So don't play the melody yet, just sing it. You know the song. So you're going to go, "Oh, falling from the stars, a distant galaxy. Oh, we're not sure who they are, friend or enemy." We're only using those two notes, A and the B, when we're going back and forth. We play the B a few times. Okay, so now we really know that we're not alone. It's kind of scary though, but it's kind of cool. Film it on your phone. Hide in your homes. It's an alien invasion. So really, I call this a challenge, but it's only these two notes. We have modified it, and we're only going to play these two. It's way easier to coordinate your hands that way. Okay, so when you're brave, you're going to try both together. So remember to go slow. Don't get frustrated. When you get frustrated, just take a break, go back, and practice the part again. Oh, falling from the stars, a distant galaxy. Oh, we're not sure who they are, friend or enemy. see our fingers are close here, aren't they? And now we really know that we're not alone. It's kind of scary though, but it's kind. Okay. So now your A, you're on this A. So this is the A you're supposed to hit when you go, now we really know that we're not alone. It's kind of scary though, but it's kind of cool. So you might take the left hand out so you can play that melody. Or you can play all of this an octave lower. You know what? Let's try that. Let's try playing this an octave lower and let's see what it sounds like. Falling from the stars, a distant galaxy. Oh, we're not sure who they are, friend or enemy. Now we really know that we're not alone. It's kind of scary though, but it's kinda cool. Film it on your phone. Hide in your homes. It's an alien invasion. You might like it better lower like that, possibly. But if you play it higher, just know that your fingers are going to hit there. So let's go through the whole song without stopping. Let's try it on this upper octave first. I don't know. What do you think? What kind of sound did you like better? Did you like the lower A and B or the higher A and B? Sometimes we sacrifice sound for comfort of our fingers. So I don't know. I kind of liked it higher. So let's try it higher. Oh, falling from the stars, a distant galaxy. Oh, we're not sure who they are, friend or enemy. Now we really know that we're not alone. It's kind of scary though, but it's kind of cool. Film it on your phone. Hide in your homes. It's an alien invasion. And then there's our chord, B, D, and F sharp. If you want to end with a cool chord, you can do that at the end there as well. There you go. There's our easy tutorial for small hands for playing Alien Invasion from Zombies 3. If you want a more advanced version of this, if you want to know the full chords, let me know in the comments. If you tried it at home, let me know in the comments. And what song does your child want to learn next, or even you? What do you want to learn next? And I teach it in a way that kids can understand it. I teach it in simple terms and easy finger placement. So I modify a lot of things. So if that's what you're looking for, I'm your gal, so let me know what you want to learn next. And once again, if you liked this, remember to like this video and subscribe. And don't forget, I have live lessons every Tuesday at 10:30 a.m. Central Time right here on this channel. So like and subscribe so you know every time I go live. All right, guys, until next time, goodbye to you. See you next time.